Every serious spiritual searcher has a very scientific spirit. They don't simply accept something or believe something, even if the greatest sages have said this. They wish to understand how does it correspond to them in their own experience. Scientists are human beings before they are scientists. Surely they wonder, what happens when I die, or what I call myself, my body dies. Similarly, any sort of spiritually oriented person can hardly not be interested in the laws running the universe, because they are living in the universe as long as they are alive. Every serious scientist is actually interested in something spiritual. Similarly, every spiritually oriented person is interested in scientific discoveries. Einstein in particular represents really a very ideal combination of the two. He understood what is the real feeling and need for religious search. And he even would regard himself as a religious person, but not in any ordinary sense, belonging to this denomination or that denomination, but recognizing that the real religious, or he called it religious, but really spiritual search, essentially is wishing to be more and more free of my usual self. That is, of course, the aim that the Buddha would say, or Christ would say. To be free of my usual self then allows me to listen to the real nature, if you like, listen to God, or listen to Brahma, or Holy Spirit. However much scientific knowledge we may have, unless we are also connected with the truth of our own inner self, why have I been created? What is my true nature? I cannot be really wholly satisfied. And I see more and more people are interested in this kind of inquiry. So I invite you to follow me in this caravan of search being organized by the Scientific and Medical Network and by Journeys Within.